In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the customer not receiving emails issue on Gumroad in 2026. If your customer says they did not receive the purchase receipt, download link or access email, this can create confusion very quickly because they cannot access the product they paid for. Thankfully, this issue is usually easy to fix. Now let's go step by step. First, ask the customer to check their spam and promotions folders. Most Gumroad emails are delivered instantly, but sometimes Gmail, Outlook, or other providers automatically filter them into spam, junk, promotions, or updates tabs. This solves the problem in many cases. Next, verify the customer's email address carefully. Go to your sales dashboard in Gumroad and open the customer's order details. Check the exact email entered during checkout and look for typing mistakes like missing letters, incorrect domains, or accidental spaces. Even a small typo can prevent the email from being delivered. If the email was entered incorrectly, you can manually send the product link or ask the customer to repurchase using the correct email if necessary. After that, resend the receipt manually. Inside the transaction details, use the resend receipt option to send the email again. Temporary delivery issues sometimes disappear immediately after resending. You should also ask the customer to whitelist Gumroad emails. Tell them to add Gumroad's sending address to their contacts or save sender list because some email providers block automated messages by default. If you are using a custom sending domain, verify your DNS settings. Incorrect SPF or DKIM records can silently block outgoing emails and prevent customers from receiving receipts or download links properly. Another good idea is to test the purchase flow yourself. Make a small test purchase using another email address and confirm that the receipt and download emails arrive correctly. Usually, customer email delivery problems on Gumroad happen because of spam filtering, incorrect email addresses, blocked automated messages, or DNS configuration issues. So checking the customer email carefully and resending the receipt fixes the issue most of the time. That's it. Once the email address is verified and the receipt is resent properly, your customer should receive access without any problems.